So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the top gaining stocks here on Google Finance. So once Google Finance is opened up, I want you to go to the Market Trends tab right here and press on where it says Gainers. Now in this screen right here, you can go ahead and view the top gainers. So it says the top gaining stocks or funds by percentage change during the trading session. So when you're here, it's going to go from highest to lowest in regards to the percent change on specific stocks or funds. So you can kind of go ahead and see what happened during the trading day. This will obviously vary depending on the day, but yeah, pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. This is how to view the top gaining stocks on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.